Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you a broad versus specific niche. As you can see, I have set an example of essential oils on Amazon.com. Here you can see. So I have opened two listings to show you guys what broad looks like and what specific niche look like. So let's go to the storefronts. You can go to a storefronts by clicking here on the this and this link. As you can see, this guy is selling in a specific niche. He's selling essential oils and making variations of the oil. As you can see, he's selling on 10 milliliter, 30 milliliter, 100 milliliter fragrant oil sets. It's mainly selling on essential oils only. So this is the example of perfect specific niche. Let me show you guys what broad actually look like. So you can click to their storefront, and this may be perfect example for what a broad actually looks like. He's selling essential oils, and he's selling sprays, and he's selling household cleaner, he's selling relief roll-on balm or something, he's selling mouthwash, again essential oils, he's selling hand sanitizers, he's selling soft gels. So hope you got example of what a broad looks like, selling under his own brand, Young Living. So guys, hope you got example what specific needs looks like and what a broad looks like.